So, ayan na nga, napadpad na ang babaitang yan sa Araceli. Araceli. Araceli? Hindi ko alam pa paano i-pronounce, so bahala na kayo.
Oh my God!
Anyway, welcome to the municipality of Araceli, Palawan. So first stop, we just book via Agoda dito sa Gasa Sea Park and Campsite. So bakit ko napili ito? Hindi ko din alam. Mura kasi. But anyway, maganda ang place, malinis, and very native vibe. And super lapit lang niya sa dagat, which is nasa harapan na ng aming room. So, ayun. Anyway, share ko ang experience ko dito sa Gasa kahit wala nagtatanong at kahit wala kayong pakialam. So, a native vibe which has a balcony and a sea view outside ng room. So again, bakit ko nagustuhan to? Syempre sasabihin ko sa inyo. Una is, kino-consider ko kasi yung nag-o-offer ng motorcycle or car rental ng hotel or within the area. For accessibility na rin kasi namin papunta sa market and tourist spots along the main island. So, since this hotel and resort is accessible sa lahat ng area, perfect siya para sa amin. So, ito na nga, back tayo sa tour. This is the outside view namin, which is hill. Burol siya sa likod and dagat naman siya sa harap. So, ayun. Sorry sa aking mga sinampay. Baba tayo. So, meron silang 5 rooms and 10 cottages dito sa buong resort. So, kapag tinatamad kang lumabas para bumili ng pagkain mo, meron din sila ditong cafe, bar and restaurant. So, they offer bed and breakfast also. So, this is the reception. Okay. They also have note for all the guests. Dahil nga isla to, hindi lang tao nakatira dito, marami ding wildlife. So, na-experience namin ang gecko or tuko in Tagalog. Also, this one, monitor lizard or bayawak in Tagalog. Actually, ang dami nila dito. So, along the way lang siya. At ayan na nga, nag-wrestling pa sila. So, that's my morning view kanina on my first day staying here. And before I end this vlog, here's a quote I hope to stays with you. So the happiest people are not those who have everything, but those who appreciate every little blessings life gives them. Stay grateful, keep smiling, and never stop chasing your dreams. Thank you for watching and see you in my next vlog.